Broker is slowing you down rather than powering you up?
Meet Dhan, a broker built from the ground up for modern traders and investors alike. No account maintenance fees, no hidden delivery charges. Sound too good? It's here. For delivery trades, the cost is zero. For intraday or options, flat 20 rupees per executed order.
Dhan isn't just a single app. It's a full ecosystem of platforms for trading, investing, and automation. Advanced option chains, Greeks, payoff graphs, everything in one place so you stay in control. Set triggers that remain valid for up to 365 days. Perfect for planned entries and exits. Unlock value from your portfolio by pledging shares for instant margin access.
Got custom strategies or algos? With Dhan HQ APIs, you can build, backtest, and deploy like a pro.
Save draft orders, one-tap execution conflict, less time wasted, more trade captured.
Loved the speed. UI is clean. Many users applaud Dhan's speed and simplicity, but no platform is perfect.
Some traders report chart lags, limited third-party integrations, and NRI account constraints.
Strengths include tech-first features, flat pricing, APIs. Limitations include brand maturity and support scale. Are you an active options trader, coder, or swing investor? Dhan could be a great fit.
Dhan operates under raised securities. Funds are held in segregated accounts for safety.
Orders are processed in under 25 milliseries on peak days. Speed matters when markets move fast. Use the built-in brokerage calculator to estimate your trade cost up front. No surprises.
Investing in ETFs and mutual funds? Dhan offers SIP and lump sum with zero commission for many funds.
Want to apply for IPOs or SME listings? All possible within the same account.
Equities, options, futures, commodities, ETFs, Numec. One account covers it all on Dhan. With margin trading facility, you can take swing positions using up to 4x leverage on select stocks. Monitor thousands of stocks easily via organized watch lists, labels, trackers for dividends and corporate actions.
Draft your trades in advance and trigger them later too. Build discipline, reduce impulse decisions.
When you compare cost, tech tools, and multi-asset support, Dhan gives strong value for serious traders.
Fewer distractions, fewer costs, more clarity. Focus on your trades and investing goals.
Is it right for me? If you trade rarely or require expansive third-party integrations, you may want to check compatibility first.
Ready to upgrade your trading workflow?